In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate an AI chatbot on your WordPress site. I have a website here. It's one of the templates on WordPress, and I'm going to use it to add an AI chatbot here that will respond to users' questions, can book appointments, and it basically uses AI. So it's not a live chat, it's not a human being chatting. It's basically like ChatGPT responding to users about the website content and helping booking appointments. So to start doing this, I'm going to start at interworky.com, and here I'm gonna hit the start free trial, and inside this I'm going to add my name and my phone number and my email address. And once I'm here, I'm gonna take my website address here and add it. I should receive an email like this to activate my account. I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. And here I'm gonna set my new password. And here's the tutorial. Just I can update the picture, update the name, personality, and so on. For now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start syncing my website knowledge into the chatbot. So I'm gonna click start syncing, and here I can update the name. I'm just gonna name it Interworky chatbot, and the personality, I'm gonna choose it to be funny. Probably gonna keep the same colors and click save. And the voice mode is enabled. Let's say completed. So I'm gonna go to the integration page, download the plugin, download the WordPress plugin. It should be, now it's saved. Go to the WordPress page, admin page, and then add new. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna click on add new plugin here, and I'm gonna click upload plugin and then select the Interworky zip file. So upload, I'm gonna select the zip file. Now it's telling me uploading the file, and it's installing the plugin in my website. Once I'm done here, I can see it's activated. And if I refresh my page over here, the one that I have here, the same picture and everything, and the name is test chatbot. So I'm gonna click it, it's the same name. I'm gonna select the text mode, and here let me just ask, for example, what courses do you offer? Let's see if it understands. There is master course, continuing education course. So basically saying Interworky offers an 8-week master course twice a year with shorter continued education, the two courses that we have here. It said the two courses here, master course and continued education,